Hi guys, today we are going to do a simple avocado egg hair mask with me, and all you need is just 2 eggs and a ripe avocado. Let's get into it. Our combo is now ready for use. I'm now going to apply it on my hair and massage my scalp too. The mask deeply moisturizes the hair and soothes the scalp while promoting hair growth and strength. I also love how it enhances shine and smoothness on my hair. After applying, I go in with a comb, and as you can see, it's so easy to do it and I'm loving it. Just see how well the curls are defined. Sectioned my hair and did the twist to allow the treatment to set for 30 minutes in our shower cup. "30 minutes later, my hair appeared soft, thick, and very nourished." Unraveled the twists and cleaned my hair using shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, my hair is now clean and I proceed to detangle using a hair comb and leave-in conditioner as well as plaiting it. This process was very painless and seamless because of the nutrients from the hair mask. I will definitely recommend and I do it over and over again. Thank you so much for watching, guys.